Panels allow you to analyze all of your data files in groups rather than one by one. This enables all of the plots of your layout to quickly change to a new set of data. Here we will use panels to analyze an experiment in which 3 tubes were acquired for each mouse. Start with one set of tube in the data list. All of these tubes come from the same mouse. Access the panels from the Data tab in the ribbon. Click Add to begin a new panel. To begin, define a panel name for the panel. Adjust the number of tubes needed for the panel and give each tube a descriptive name. These descriptive names will help organize the tubes within the data list. Click OK when finished. The panel is now creative and active. Click OK to apply the panel to the data list. As you can see, the data list now contains the tube names from the panel. Next, we will add additional mice into our layout by clicking on the blue plus sign in the data list and selecting Add Data File. Select the data files of interest and click Open File. You can reorder the samples in the data list using the blue arrows up or down to adjust the positions of the samples. If one sample does not contain all of the tubes from a defined panel, FCS Express 7 now lets a user add a blank tube as part of the panel. To do so, click on the Add Data Files blue plus sign and click on Add Blank Tube. Adjust the position of the blank tube as needed. We can now analyze our entire experiment in sets of 3 tubes as defined by the panel. Simply click on the blue iteration number in the data list to adjust from panel to panel. You can continue to add plots to a layout from the data list after the panel is defined by dragging and dropping a tube from a panel into the layout. Panels efficiently analyze experiments in which comparisons must be made among a set of tubes. This is often more efficient and informative than comparing tubes on a one-by-one basis. If you have any questions, please visit us at denovosoftware.com or email us at support@denovosoftware.com.